Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Mariner Finance account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in loans.marinerfinance.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Mariner Finance. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find various options. Simply click on the option Login. Now you'll be led to the login interface of Mariner Finance. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. If you do not have the account yet, click on this option create account and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. Otherwise, if you already have the account, what you have to do is enter your email address and password. Click on the field of email address. Now enter your email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your email, you can click on this option forget email and you'll be able to recover it. Likewise, if you have forgotten your password, click on this option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter your email address and password, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Mariner Finance account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.